here at Ferne Clyffe, and as you can see, we got a nice storm rolling through, which I knew was gonna happen. And I'm hoping after this rolls through, that creates a little clearing based on the radar images I've seen. But you can see it's coming. It's raining sideways. I mean, it's the wind's blowing, and it was pretty dark, and now it's kind of lightening up. So I'm hoping that clearing is behind it. But definitely wanted to show this because I thought it was kind of neat. Oh yeah. I've done this many times. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. And today I am on my way to Ferne Clyffe State Park to do some waterfall chasing. We're getting a lot of rain today, and on that note, there's a line of storms getting ready to move through the area. I should be running directly right into it. And there's a possibility of tornadoes today here on this New Year's Eve 2018. And I used to chase storms amateurly, and I ended up getting out of it because it was just too dangerous. But I've not seen a tornado in quite a few years, and I'm afraid if I seen a tornado today that I would revert back to my old ways and have to chase me a tornado. So it'd go from waterfall chasing to tornado chasing. If you can hear that noise behind me, that's a big tree. Yep, that's what you're interested in, right? The big tree? Or are you interested in this baby? Look at that fall. Wow. Here at Ferne Clyffe State Park near Goreville, Illinois. Checking out the waterfalls today because we've had a lot of rain. Woo! A little chilly on the feet. Look at that though. Woo-wee! That is a cool waterfall, folks. Very cool. We're going to be going down there here shortly on the Redman Trail. Quite dramatic. The sound, I'm sure you can hear it pretty well on this camera. It's just so loud. Had to change into some old hiking shoes so I can actually walk and not feel like I'm getting ready to slide out of my shoes. Look at, oh, that's loose. Look at those beauties. Oh yeah. Waterfalls, waterfalls. There's more waterfalls that way. Well, don't worry, we're gonna go that way too. So I gotta safely make my way so I can see this big bad boy over here. Amazing. I hope you can hear me say that. It's loud. Worth it. Just crossing the creek's a little sketchy because you can't see the giant boulders underneath your feet. Got to be really careful. There's that main fall we were just at, and there's this little guy right here. Little guy, but still a big guy. Very cool. Very, very cool. Always love these little falls. Kind of in the crack of a bluff. Crack of the bluffage. I think that's really cool. Even though it's teeny tiny, it really is. And there's a couple little running falls here. I think those are neat. Personally. Waterfall's a waterfall. That's cool. That is neat. And here's the waterfall trail. Big Rocky Hollow Trail. Alright. I don't think any of you really want to see these waterfalls, do you? Alright, you talked me into it. Check that out. But there's also this one. Wow. That is cool. Very few times a year do I really get to see it like this. Too cool for school. Alright, I crossed the creek so I could check out this bad boy. Very cool. Very loud. And then look at this itty bitty one. This cutie little cutie right next to it. That's cute. That's cool though. Very, very cool. I think I'll just follow the trail up. Gotta love even the little ones. If it's dripping, it's fun. That's fun. It's very fun right now. Alrighty, here at Hawks Cave. This is the waterfall feature of Hawks Cave. Cool, huh? Yeah, that's pretty neat. I'm sure you heard it in the background. You're like, you can't fool us hiking with Shawn. Oh, wet. Very wet. Protect the camera. Look at that. Very cool. Isn't that cool? Too cool not to show. I love it when it just runs off the bluffage like that. I think that's so cool. Just runs off of it. Awesome. Glad I got out here. Very, very awesome. This bluffage boulder looking at me. And as you can see that, I crawled through that one day. I'll throw that video link up here somewhere. You can check it out. It's pretty fun. Isn't that awesome? Got some creekage falls going on here. So cool. I love this. I'm glad I got out. I'm glad I get to show you all this. For those of you who couldn't make it out. Even the little guys are awesome to see. Here in the main Hawks Cave area. And yes, there's a waterfall. Of course. That's what I mean, folks. Ferne Clyffe is where it's at, waterfall wise. To get to these three trails, the Hawks Cave, Boy Scout, and Redman, you have to cross the creek. So on a really waterfally day, really wet day, bring water shoes. Gira boys, maybe? No. Gira 2019, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, bring water shoes. If it's cold, obviously it's going to be a cold crossing. But that really, the way that rock is up against, that's so neat. Really, the only way you're gonna see these is if you tough it out. So, tough it out. That's what I say. I like how all that is right there. I think that's really neat. It's so cool. So rad. Rad. If I was a dad, I'd be a rad dad. Isn't that neat? We're not done yet. I'm gonna go check out another trail after this. Alrighty folks, here at Round Bluff Nature Preserve, Ferne Clyffe. I'm not gonna do the whole trail, I'm just gonna do some of it, looking for waterfalls. Alrighty folks, a little out of breath here, but here's a cool little waterfall. Try to do this without falling, but you can see up there is even more waterfallage. Yeah, that's all right. I like this though, how it streams out through the crack. I think that's neat. I think that's cute waterfall. And the leaves are kind of creating a pool right there. I think that's really neat. That's really cool. I like that. Here's another little waterfall. Kind of neat. Just coming out of the cracks. That's cool. I like that one too. So, Round Bluff ain't a bad place to explore for waterfalls, really. I mean, they're not anything significant, but still better than nothing.